Hey y'all, this is Kel and I'm back to do another video for you guys. Hey, so I know it's been a while. It's been a while and I know that, and we're going to definitely talk about it because I got some story times coming for y'all. But this is about a wig that I've had too long that I have not done a video for, and it's bad. So here I am with a wig from Unice hair, right? They have sent me a Upart wig, right? Let me show you everything that's in the bag. They always give you a pretty satin bag. I got a wig cap. This cute little pink bag, which I got lashes. They always give you some lashes. There we go. Oh, I got some hair clips. That's nice. Got some hair clips. Always need those. And a nice scarf. Really, really pretty scarf too. Although I'm not a pink girl, it's a cute scarf. And here she is. I got a curly Upart wig because I thought that maybe I can got lipstick all in my mouth. I'm sorry. Lipstick all in my mouth. Okay. Because my thing was that I think that I'll probably be able to blend my hair with it a little better. But then again, who knows? We're going to see. We're going to see. Hopefully I can. If not, we're going to figure it out. So, from what I've been seeing about Upart wigs, I had to look up how to actually do it. Because I was actually a little confused, right? And it's not that I was confused. Ooh, that's pretty. And that's soft. Ooh, look at these curls. That's pretty. So for what I was seeing is the whole premise of this is that you're supposed to put this on like a U-part, V-part, T-part. And you're not supposed to have any hair out with it. I'm going to see how that works. If not, I'm going to try to blend my hair with it. And we're going to try to figure out how I'm supposed to do that. Because I have a kinkier texture of a curl. I love my curls, but it's not these curls. It's not these at all. But I do have a kinkier texture to my curls. So we're going to see what I can do with this. Because that's beautiful, y'all. Look at that. Look at that. Look at she. And I believe she's 18 inches of curls. So in curl form, that's kind of short, but it's pretty. So hopefully I can work this out. So I'll be back and y'all see me work this out, okay? All right. Okay, y'all, I did it. I know y'all can see it already. Without taking my hair out, but you can see all that, honey. I don't know if... No. No. I don't like that at all. Because you can see it. So you're going to have to pull some of your hair out
the way you want it to. You're the one.
Kel, and I'm back with the wig on, and this is Unice V-Part 18-inch curly unit, right? Okay, let's get into it. So the V-Part method of this wig is it has tracks all the way up to the parting area, and then they have 4 combs here and like a net, and they cut it in half, right? So you can get the V-Part effect. So the premise of this is that you can leave no hair out or minimal hair out, so it can look a little bit more natural with the wig, right? Okay. So in the last clip, I showed you guys the hair and what it looked like if you did not camouflage the V-part, right? You have to camouflage the V-part because you can see it. And that makes it look very unnatural, right? And so I was looking at it, I was like, no, that ain't it. That ain't it right there. That's not it. So I decided to try to take my hair out and blend it in. Second mistake because I have kinky type 4 hair. That ain't gonna work. Do I love my curl pattern? Absolutely. I can show y'all my curl pattern, me trying to blend it together, which you will see all of that in the video, and it did not work. It did not work. It did not work at all, honey. My hair was like, no girl, this ain't it. This ain't for us. This is not our type of hair. So fine, right? And so I finally just put it on and tried to camouflage it with the hair. And that is as good as I can get it as of right now because my hair is not blending. But is it cute? Yes. High quality hair, right? No tangling, no shedding. I wet it down. I ran my fingers through it, all of that good stuff in the hair. Still bomb. Still bomb. I just used water, and this is from Aussie. Miracle Curls Freeze Taming Cream, which works great on this type of textured hair. So it works great. If this is your hair texture and you want to blend it with minimal hair, this is going to work perfectly for you. But me and my 4C kinky hair, not gonna work. I was told that I didn't have 4C hair, so let me stop saying that. Before I get attacked. But my 4 textured hair, because I'm in that 4 somewhere. I am in that 4 somewhere. So, right. Don't want to get attacked over 4C hair. But, I have kinkier texture hair, so this wasn't going to work with my hair, but this is as close as I can get it. So pretty much what I did was I put all my combs in, and then I pretty much just pulled some of the hair forward like this. Is there still places that you probably should put a bobby pin or something like that to hold it down so you don't see it as well? Yes, because this isn't foolproof either. If you want a more natural look, you probably need to take your hair out. And for me, what I probably would need to do for this hair is flat iron my hair and then use a wand curl and wand curl my hair with this hair. I am country today. I don't know why I'm so country. Like, I can feel the countryness exuding from my throat. Okay, so yeah, that's all I can do with my natural hair in this hair. I tried. Y'all gonna see it throughout this video that I was trying my hardest to blend my hair with this or to make this work to look more natural, and this is the closest we're going to get to it. Is the hair beautiful? Absolutely. It is gorgeous. So I do recommend the hair. If you can make it work with your hair, or if you have a way to do it, by all means, baby, do it. But for me, in my hair, it's not gonna work to blend my hair with it. But it is very, very cute. Will I be wearing it? Absolutely, because this is the throw on a go. This is a throw on a go. Throw on a hat, throw on a scarf, let's go. So, will I be wearing it? Yeah, I will. And I can make it work. So, for me, I'll probably put like a bobby pin in here so it can like actually hold the hair that I pulled over down, and I can still work it. So, you can work this hair out. Do not get me wrong. You can work it out. But you do have to put a little bit more effort into this. But it's pretty and I like it, and This curl bomb. Just not my curl. But I love it. So, that's it, y'all. That's it for this. Again, this is Unice V-Part curly wig in an 18-inch. And she is really, really pretty. Really, really pretty. So, that's it. That's all I got for it. I'm sorry. You know, you start playing with it, looking at it like, oh, it's really cute. But that's all I got. I can't do nothing with it with my hair. So this is as close as it's going to get from me. So that's it for it. If you like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. If you got something to tell me, go ahead and leave it down in the comment section. Don't forget to share this video with all of your wig loving friends, and of course subscribe to me, because I would love for you guys to be a part of my family. And that's it. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.
I'm